Hello students, this is Mr. Rivera and today we're going to be talking about the distributive property. Now I want you to ask yourself, what word do you hear in the word distribute? Well, when you say distributive, you hear the word distribute, and I just said that. So, what does distribute mean? Well, distribute means to give out evenly. So let's take a look at this word problem real quick. If Maria won $50 and wanted to give the money to her 5 friends, how much money would she distribute to her friends? Well, first of all, Maria is a very generous human being because I like to keep my money. So, but let's just say she has these $50. Okay, one would go to Carmen, the other one would go to Elizabeth, another one would go to Montserrat, one would go to Carla, and then the other one would go to Luz. Okay, so each student or each one of her friends would get how much? $10. Now, did she distribute her money evenly? Yes, she did. In fact, each one of her friends was given or awarded $10. What a great human being Maria is. So, how does this help us when we're looking at problems such as this? Well, when we use a distributive property, we're going to take problems that have parentheses, and just like in the order of operations, we're always told do the parentheses first. But sometimes when we have big problems, we need to regroup. So what we're going to do is take the 3 and divide it evenly amongst each number. So we're going to take the number 3 and we're going to group it with the 5, and we're going to take the number 3 and group it with the 1. So, parentheses. Parentheses mean multiplication. So, I'm going to simply take the 3 and group it with the 5. And I'm going to multiply them together. Why? Again, because the parentheses means multiplication. Now I'm going to take the 3 again and I'm going to multiply it by the number 1. Again, why? Because it is multiplication inside the parentheses. And then finally, I'm going to leave the plus sign where it is. And that is the distributive property. Remember, you are going to use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses and distribute the 3 evenly amongst the 5 and the 1. And this is problem number 1 in your homework assignment. So, that's it for now. This is Mr. Rivera. I'll see you soon.